Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Last video we did the rotors on the car, the cross and drilled rotors, made sure the brake system was good and everything seems to be good. Today we're going to do our Eibach springs, our strange struts, and we're also going to bleed the brake system. So let's get that going, and hopefully we don't run into any problems. Alright guys, as you can see, spring is out. Don't mind the cobwebs and whatnot. All you have to do is just disconnect the shock, let it fall down. I took off the wheel on the other side too, so rubber housing is already there. I still have the upper housing over here, but this is what the car had before. I mean, it only really had the rears. This is the H&R Super Sports, and I thought this was the lowest you can go, but as I'm looking at these, it's just a little bit shorter, man. So I'm excited to kind of see how that is gonna fit, and kind of nervous at the same time, but we'll see how it goes. Yes, I know I still need to bleed the brakes. Let's get that surface rust off there, but let's go ahead and continue, and let's put the spring back up. A little spring cleaning, right? Oh, yeah. That's so gross. Shock. Should be able to get back in there. Last spring and the last strut. We're going to do it on this side. Hopefully we can finish it before work today. Man, this thing is getting blurred. Yeah, like I said, of course to start, let's get this bay. we have it like this, this little part right here, we're gonna need to clean it out and rejuvenate. Springs are in, struts are in, boots on, and links back in. Basically, we're just gonna do everything in reverse. Gotta. I did it. I did it. If you haven't already, go ahead and comment, subscribe. Project sn95. Trying to get ready for Mustang Week 2025 in Galveston. Oh, he's praying to the car gods, man. I'll probably do an all-around view of it in a couple of days. Let the suspension sit a little bit. I still need to tighten the struts, but I need to buy a wrench big enough because it's one of those you have to hold and you know what I mean. Can't just do it with an impact. I tried. But hopefully we can get the caster camber plates before we can do that. So until next video, guys. Deuce.